Prawns are tasty, but everybody likes prawns, I know, but it depends on how you cook it. If you overcook, it won't be tasty. So, we will see how we are going to do this sweet and sour prawns. And prawns I have taken. We are going to deep fry these prawns first. But before I do, I am sure you know what we have to do is we have to clean the prawns, keeping the tail, and see up to this I have got that with the tail, and this piece we have to cut it open and remove the vein. There is a black vein. We have to remove that black vein, that is very important, and keep it ready. First thing that I am going to do is put a little turmeric for this, a little salt and a little pepper. Mix all this together and keep it ready. That is the first thing that we do for these prawns. Turmeric, salt and pepper I have put. Keep it at least for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, what I am going to do is I take the flour. Going to do a batter and about half a teaspoon baking powder, and flour I have taken about half a cup. We will use again a little salt, a little pepper, turmeric, and if you like a little chili powder also. All these things you mix it first. After mixing that, we add a little water. It's like a small batter that you make it a batter. Okay, now we keep this aside, and now what I am going to do is oil I have put. Any oil, vegetable oil is more advisable. One by one I dip this. One by one I will put the prawns. It should not get over fried, I told you. It should not get over fried. So, we will see how it looks. That's the color we want now. See, it gets cooked very fast and it has a nice golden color. Inside also should get cooked. So, we keep till it's really cooked well. Now, what I am going to do is, we have some vegetables here. Capsicum, beans, carrots and onions. All these, we need about 2 cups of all these vegetables, which I am going to make it like a sweet and sour, which goes very well with the prawns. So, we are going to put all these into the pan, and I add a little water. We will cook this. We will keep the prawns aside and cook this. Boil this now. While you are boiling it, I have to use salt and even the pepper. At that time, if you can nicely crush it and use it, still better. Now I use a teaspoon of vinegar, and I need a little mustard cream. Mustard cream I need about 1.5 teaspoons, right? Mix it well. Then I need a teaspoon of sugar, a dessert spoon of soy sauce, to our palate, to our way of preparing. You can have all these things, which is really nice and tasty. Till all these gets cooked, we will have to nicely boil it well. To make it much more tastier, I will use some chili pieces. So this is getting nicely cooked, you can see. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to have it like a sauce to make. So I am adding a little more water. I am just going to put a little corn flour. To thicken it. It's boiling now, it has to get thickened slightly. I'll use a little turmeric also. Now this is nice, lovely. It has come to a nice thicky texture. Off the cooker, take this now. We will put it into a bowl. First, prawns. Now the prawns, we will put the prawns over it. Keep everything ready. Do not use it immediately. Just before you serve, what we should do is, we have to put the prawns on top and serve. It's nice because that should not get really softened. This sweet and sour prawns are ready. You might be wondering with what to serve. Yes, you can have it with plain rice, fried rice, or you can have it with anything like rotis, pancake, and of course with pittu, string hoppers, anything that you want, you can serve this. But ideal for plain rice to have this sweet and sour prawns. You will enjoy this because the taste and the flavor is there, you will enjoy. So try it out and see this type of preparation which I have given it for you, so that it's simple, easy, and all can try this type of preparation. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon with another episode.